Hey, what's going on, guys? Joe Burgess. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about a couple of things. But first of all, I'd like to, before I do that, I'd like to actually mention a few things here. This is a shout out to all my subscribers. Uh, there's there's 23 of you guys in all. And for the three that I know of that actually subscribed on there, Ed the Old Tech Guy, Sean McKenna, AutoTech410, and the 21 other subscribers that I have. Basically, you guys all know who you are. Thank you very much. I appreciate the support, and that goes a long way, guys. I appreciate it. But those are the guys that actually show up for my subscribers on there. The other guys are unlisted, but like I said, you guys all know who you are, and I appreciate it. Alright, guys, but let's get into this video. I was actually going to do a different type of video today, but I'm just going into the importance of having extra parts around. This happens to be into refrigeration, and it also happens to be fuel related. What I'm trying to show you guys here, and what I'm getting at, guys, is it's nice to have these little kits around, because when you're in the middle of a job and you're gonna have some type of trouble, or you're gonna lose something, because I don't know about you guys, but 9 times out of 10, that always happens to me. So whether it be one of these fittings, you know, a bolt, a nut, anything like that. I always say have some extra around, you know, because you never know what the situation is gonna be like. So that was the little food for thought there, you know, because like I said, these, you know, having these kits with the extra stuff, and it's always nice to have around. So, you know, especially like I said, something like this here, when you're dealing with like a fuel, you know, a fuel filter, and they have those little plastic kit clips. So something like this is real handy to have. As you can see here, at 50 cents each, I end up buying the whole box, because like I said, I either lose them, they get broken, or sometimes I luck out and nothing gets broken. But 9 times out of 10, I'd probably say, as luck would have it, the draw of the cards, probably something gets broken or lost. So, but like I said to you guys, always good to have these little kits, and that's kind of what the beginning of this video is all about. And then I was getting into, I have a little Yellow Jacket charge and recovery system here. Nice to have. Like I said, especially if you don't have a machine, and sometimes you get away with using those little canisters and stuff like that. That's not a bad thing to use, but these gauges here give you a direct measurement of the refrigerant coming in, the types you can use, the types you can recover, stuff like that. And in my case right here, this guy's empty. It's 134A, and you can recover into that because it's empty. So nice little unit in you know, to have there. So you can recover some in there. You know, a lot of times you recover it into a machine, but not everybody has the luxury of having a $3,000, $5,000 machine. So that's the way that goes. You know, the thing is, you know, like I said, with this type here, you got your high side, your low side. This is to recover and to pressurize the refrigerant into the vehicle. So, you know, these have been around for a while. I picked this set up a few years back. They're nice sets. Actually, up there is another one. I just don't have the hoses like I do on this one. But like I said, this is a nice little unit to be able to to get your AC all charged up and recovered. It's always a good idea to use a vacuum your lines out, so you're doing a clean job, and you can you get all the refrigerant out of the lines and all the air and water out of the lines, etc. So like I said, guys, this is a nice little DIY kit here. You know what I mean? And like I said, the way I have this set up, it's pretty good. It's pretty decent. So I figured I'd show you guys. And it's getting hot out there. Well, it's hot here right now. So I think we're in the 90s right now. So AC is a good thing to have. Not a bad thing to have right now. So, all right, guys. I just thought I'd do another quick one for the day, and leave you with that. And I'll see you guys all around the next video. And thank you so much for subscribing. And like I said at the beginning of this video, thank you guys for subscribing. It means so much. And always leave a comment. I love when you guys comment. So leave a few comments for me. All right, guys. Take care and have a nice day.